Money, money, money. That is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We are going to be talking about money-making apps that you're going to be able to use for free to make money online right now. Over $1,000 for every 5 apps that you're going to download. It's super amazing, but I know you guys are going to go and love it and go crazy over it. So hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. I'm going to show you 5 different apps, and the more apps that you use, the more money you're going to make. And now the reason why I love to make money with apps is because you're not even going to need a computer or anything complicated. As long as you have a phone and an internet connection, that is pretty much it. You can do it wherever you are. You can do it whatever you're doing. It'll only take you 2 minutes to start, and I'm going to show you everything in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can maximize your earnings, how you're going to complete simple tasks, how you can withdraw your money, what mistakes you have to avoid, and a lot more things. So make sure you watch and pay attention closely, and let's jump right into it. So let's start with our first app, and you have to remember that you are going to use all of them so that you can make the most money. So first is called Yougov.com. Now Yougov, okay, this app is where you can earn money by answering questions and surveys and just expressing your opinions. You're going to get paid and right away. And one of the best things that I like about this is that they are going to pay you right away without doing anything as well. So as soon as you download this app on your phone, you're going to sign up for free. Then you're going to log into your account daily to get paid and receive rewards. And once again, you're not going to have to do anything else. So it's free money, and I'm pretty sure you guys have never heard of this app before because it's new. And the reason why they are paying you automatically is because they are doing a relaunching, and they want to make a huge event announcement so that more people will start using their app. So right now is the best time to really join them because they're going to pay you automatically as soon as you create an account. And if you want to join them, all you have to do is go on their website, and then you can just input your email address, your password, join them. It's 100% free. Now our second app is called Live Points. It'll also pay you automatically. LivePointsPanels.com. Now, when you go onto this website, you're going to see that there's an orange button that says join now, and as soon as you guys join this application, you're going to right away earn 10 life points and free money right away for you guys right there. Now, there are over 5 million members right now using the app and collecting life points. You can then convert those life points into real cold hard cash, and then you can withdraw your money through your PayPal account or whatever payment method that you choose. And it's perfect. And you're probably curious, why does Life Points pay you money? Well, it's because they just want you to download their app, and the more that you download, the more people download their apps, the more famous they're gonna get, and meaning the more money they're gonna be able to pay, and they're gonna get more good reviews because it keeps growing. That's the reason why they want you to join them. So they're gonna pay you because you're helping them. Now, in case in the future they shut down or they close down, then they're not going to be able to give you free points or free money. So right now is the greatest time that you can do it. So make sure that you do it. Why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is. Let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. Moving on to our third app, which I want to show you, and it's called Feature Point. So I've been showing this application to a lot of people on other videos, and it's because it's been working so well. So there's a lot of ways that you can make money on this platform. You can do surveys, offers, you can earn cash back, you can download apps, you can earn money, you can share this with your friends, and you can earn from that as well. Now I have a few points remaining here. I'm going to show you that you can do a withdrawal, okay? All you have to do is just withdraw your money through gift cards or cash or whatever you want. And I would love to withdraw mine through PayPal, so I'm just gonna click on cash, and then I'm gonna convert my points to cash. It's that easy. So it's super easy. And then as soon as I do that, they're gonna send it right into my email or into my PayPal or into whatever account I've connected, and now I have money. It's as easy as that. All you have to do is create an account, and then as soon as you have an account, you can start doing their offers, doing their tasks, making money, getting paid out right away. And that's it for this app. Now our fourth application is called Livecoin, and this is where you can go to download the app. Okay, you're gonna download it on your App Store if you are using iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're an Android device. Don't worry, it's 100% free, and basically it's gonna track your steps. This website, when you're walking, you're gonna get paid to walk inside your house, outside your house, wherever, whenever. Now isn't it, and why not getting paid extra money while doing so with this app on your phone, right? Just download the app and let it run in the background, and it's gonna count how many steps that you've taken every day, and then you're gonna make money just from that. The more steps you take, the more money you can make. And again, you can withdraw your payout through whatever method works for you best, and that's it. It's as easy as that. Download, create an account, connect your payout method, and that's pretty much it. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified every time we have a new video posted. So let's keep going then. So right now we're going to go on to the last application, which is Smart App. Okay, this is basically how it works. As soon as you've signed up, you are going to qualify and you are going to participate in a research study. As soon as you download the app, you're going to complete a very short survey. You're going to ask you a few questions to make sure that you're qualified, and you can install this application on your phone. So you just need an internet connection, and then you're going to take very short, very simple surveys so you can earn rewards for contributing important data. Basically, you're sharing your opinion. Now, this is a great opportunity to be able to earn some extra money, but again, not everyone is qualified. So again, you can just try to sign up, see, maybe, you never know, you're going to be qualified. Another bonus tip I want to share with you guys is that they automatically enroll you into monthly giveaways. Again, it's automatic. You don't have to do anything. They're going to give you extra free cash if you're qualified for this research study. And again, regular rewards. Every single month, you're going to get extra free money. Being a qualified participant, you can earn $5 every 30 days just to let your device stay connected, and you're also going to get extra loyalty bonuses every 3 months. So basically, you're earning money very often and not doing anything. So if you log in and you stay active, you're going to receive money from that as well. So make sure that you do that. You try out, and you never know, you could get in and you're actually qualified, so you wouldn't want to waste that opportunity. So just download this on your phone, sign up, download everything that I had just showed you, sign up, and make sure you let it run or do the tasks and earn money. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.